Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use two numbers on WhatsApp. So if you have two numbers on WhatsApp, that means that you have two different accounts. But we all know that WhatsApp only support one number and you need to log out your other number first in order to log in your other number. So this is quite a hassle because it will always ask for a verification code, your password, your number, and all of those unnecessary steps in order to secure your account. However, we all know that it is very good to have something that we can both use simultaneously so we don't have to log out anymore. So fret not because I have a solution for you. So in order to do this, what we need to do is to head over to our app store. And once we're in there, let's search for WhatsApp and type in business. So WhatsApp business. So here it is. It is also similar to WhatsApp Messenger, but in here you can also use your other number in here. So let's open this WhatsApp business. You need to download and install it, and then after that open it. And once you've opened it, click on agree and continue. And then after that, just log in your WhatsApp number in there. So in that way, you can log in your number on your first WhatsApp Messenger and your other number to the WhatsApp business. It will function the same and you won't be able to be hassled by the logout and login method anymore. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.